Let's just see what pivot table is all about. So it is a powerful tool that is used to calculate, you can summarize and analyze data that will help you to make comparisons, look into patterns and trends in your data. So the best part about pivot table is that you can actually summarize qualitative and quantitative data in a presentable manner. And in terms of qualitative data, you can actually provide an aggregate or summarization of your Excel data that I have generated. And in this case, you can see we have a combination of data. So one is the date. The second one is type of ad and influencer type, and they both are qualitative form of data. And then, of course, we can see a number of comments. So, for example, you have a large data set of 300 or 400, and you want to see in total how many type of ads you have. So to begin with, you can actually select the given data, or you can actually select the whole data set. So bring your cursor to the first cell and then keep clicking on it and then drag it all along. And then the whole data set gets highlighted. Then you go to insert in your Excel menu and then click on pivot table. In this situation, and the data range has already been selected because we have highlighted the whole data set. Now I want it to be in the new worksheet. So that's selected, click OK. So now we are actually seeing the column labels over here. So for example, I'm interested in knowing what are the number for influencer type. So let's drag and drop influencer type into columns. And let's just drag and drop influencer type into values. So what it basically has done is it has actually summarized your influencer type into numeric form, and it has actually done the counting for you. So you can actually manipulate this data, and if you highlight the data and then when you re-click onto it, you can show these values as percentage row totals, or you can actually show these values. So if you basically right click on that and scroll down, show values as grand total or percentage total or column total. So in this case, we don't have any columns, it's just a row. So that is why it is showing 100%. So let's just change that into no calculation. It basically now shows the numeric version of the data. Now, if you click outside within anyway within this worksheet, the table on the right gets displaced or is not showing anymore. So you need to click within here, within the column or rows of the data to get that table back. So guys, thank you for watching, and this is a short illustrative example of how to create pivot table using qualitative data.